Vanilla extract tastes gross, which goes against a lot of common thinking. Whenever something smells good, we want to eat it. Things like breads, cookies, or any ends, our sense of smell is very important in how we perceive food. So why does vanilla extract taste gross when it tastes fine by cookies? Well, vanilla extract is about 35% alcohol with some water and extractives. Since extracts are very concentrated, it's only meant to be taken in small doses. This brings up a weird point. Why can't I buy vanilla extract if I'm under 21 when it has more alcohol than beer? Under the CFR, vanilla extract is considered a food dressing and flavoring. It's not meant to be sold as a product to get drunk off of, like mouthwash and hand sanitizer, which has a lot more alcohol. Plus, getting drunk off of vanilla extract sounds like the worst way to go. That could be a chubby evening video. So why does vanilla extract contain alcohol? Well, the main component in vanilla extract is called vanillin, which is more soluble in alcohol than in fat or water. Vanillin is a phenolic compound and gives off a warm, spicy feeling, much like in cinnamon and cloves. Vanilla extract is made by cycling water and alcohol through vanilla beans for several days. Artificial vanilla that you find in large bottles are made from synthetic vanillin, which is made from wood byproducts. These aren't as complex as vanilla extract, which is why it's so dirt cheap. Vanilla is often consumed as an extract in the United States due to how expensive the beans are. True vanilla comes from the pod fruit of the orchid called the bean, though it's technically not bean. Vanilla beans are very expensive because of the amount of labor, the few places that are able to produce it, and also because of its flavor. It takes half a year for the orchids to pollinate and several weeks for the beans to cure. Even though the extracts have less flavor, I wouldn't recommend using vanilla beans all the time. For one, vanilla beans are way more expensive, extracts last way longer if stored away from light or heat, and extracts are a lot easier to use. Finally, I want to leave off with how to best cook with vanilla. To get the most flavor out of the beans, split the pod lengthwise and scrape the seeds with the back of a knife. Don't discard the pods. They're meant to impart flavor over time. Instead, bury them in sugar for your cup of joe in the morning. Vanilla is often paired with sweet foods, but can also be paired in savory dishes, like in lobster or pork. In fact, vanilla beurre blanc is a butter sauce served with lobster. Since vanillin is made from wood, it can also be paired with things like barrel whiskey or grilled foods. Comment down below if you want me to do a savory vanilla dish. That's all for the video, guys. I hope you learned something new. Check out my blog in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Peace.